In this video, we'll show you how to clean your dishwasher with vinegar. A simple, natural, and effective way to remove grease, odors, and limescale buildup. Regular cleaning keeps your dishwasher running efficiently and your dishes sparkling clean. You'll need white distilled vinegar, a dishwasher-safe cup or bowl, a sponge or soft cloth, and a toothbrush for scrubbing seals and crevices. Optional. Baking soda for extra deodorizing power. Start with an empty dishwasher. Remove the bottom rack and check the drain for food debris or other blockages. Clearing this first ensures the cleaning cycle works properly. Use a damp sponge or cloth to wipe away any visible grime from the walls, racks, and door edges. For tight spots or seals, use a toothbrush to scrub away hidden gunk. Fill a dishwasher-safe cup or bowl with 1 cup of white vinegar and place it on the top rack. Run a hot water cycle. The vinegar breaks down grease, removes limescale, and kills bacteria, leaving your dishwasher fresh and clean. For extra freshness, sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run a short hot cycle. This helps neutralize odors and brighten the interior. Don't forget to wipe down the outside of your dishwasher, especially the handle and control panel. Use a mild cleaner or a vinegar solution for a streak-free shine. For best results, clean your dishwasher with vinegar once a month. This prevents buildup, keeps odors away, and ensures your appliance runs efficiently. Cleaning your dishwasher with vinegar is quick, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. Regular maintenance will keep your machine smelling fresh and working like new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple home cleaning tips.